any narration?
No. Yeah, you can if you want.
Anybody in the background fussing at you?
No, I don't.
We're here today at the Watkinsville Rendezvous, and this is Black Powder Bill, and he's getting the first fire started. This fire started with flint and steel, and we'll be burning it all weekend long. This is truly the way you would do it in a survival situation. Black Powder Bill doing a fine job here, ladies and gentlemen. This is the way it would have been done for the last hundreds and hundreds of years.
Keep her smoking.
Now, right now it's kind of stuck in that middle stage. It's kind of got a lot of smoking going on in it, but that fire's down there, and I believe it's going to happen. And he didn't have any fat lighter or anything to use on this. It's just strictly what you find laying around. This is one man and what nature's got to offer. Job well done, Black Powder Bill.
I know, look at it, huh?
See you guys next time. Remember, this is how it's done.
Yep, come visit me, www.blackpowderbill.com.
Say that again.
www.blackpowderbill.com.
Did you say www.blackpowderbill.com?
I sure did.
Okay.